The only thing about the little bird is it seems to sound a lot louder.
Yep. That's because there's no doors.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all open.
Heli to our left.
I don't have sight on him.
I don't either, but it's close. Yep, right behind us. There's a Blackhawk.
Yeah, I see it.
All right, well, I'm gonna gun. I'm gonna gun her.
I hope that thing's not really armed.
Can you, like, turn a little
He's
bit?
trying to pull up.
Oh my god, I can't fucking get it.
Turn. Turn my way.
Turns, yeah, switch. Q or E, Q or E. He's right below us. Because they got a guy out too.
Can't see crap. What is going on?
Dog fight.
Okay, he's good. Nope. Shwifty
Shit
kills
on.
Nightwhoop. Nice. There goes your fucking
He's going
heli.
down.
There goes your heli, bud. That was one of their guys.
Are you recording? Please tell me you're recording.
I can record that.
Oh!
See that? That's why you
Nice.
light up my shot.
Nice.
I think we want to land and get the gear or no?
Yeah, we could land on that.